One tree at a time. Ooh, snow. This bike is not for this.
No, probably not.
Oh, I'm about to get impaled here. I'm out here in Cloudcroft, New Mexico, riding a little bit of the rim trail. This trail does get pretty technical, but this first part is pretty easy to ride. I'm hoping it's smooth enough for the electric. Oh great, there's a tree right in the way. Luckily with a bike you can pick it up and over. Let's see, turn off the power so I don't accidentally hit the throttle. Man, this bike is kind of heavy for this, but nope, not a problem. One tree at a time. There we go. Okay, get over the trees, power back on, throttle only to start, jumping a little twig. Yeah, so these rocks here get pretty rough. This trail actually considered a black diamond trail. It doesn't get too technical till later, but for the electric, this is pretty technical. And I'll be exploring some easier trails later today. I just wanted to see what it would feel like here. Okay, there's a section here without rocks. Let's see what we can do through here. A little bit of momentum, pedaling. Oh, tree trunk, roots, more roots. Oh. This bike is not for this.
No, probably not.
I knew it wasn't. I'm out here on my dirt bike, but okay, another small trunk here. This is kind of the off season, so there's a lot of fallen trees that have not been cleared. Yet again, I'm kind of pushing the electric beyond its design scope. And I can tell you this is not a lot of fun. When it gets smooth like this, it's decently fun, but this is definitely pushing it beyond its limits. Black diamond, forest, single track with lots of rocks and roots. Not in the Lectric's playlist, especially if you mix in some mud, some snow, make it even slicker. Not recommended. But anyway, it was worth a try. You need higher diameter wheels, 26-inch fat tire, do much better here. More inches of suspension travel in the front. Some suspension in the rear would help too. My 360 camera is upside down. I didn't even realize when that happened, but all right. So here at this tree, we're gonna make a U-turn. We'll be exploring some paved trails later today or tomorrow, and I think those will be a lot more fun on the electric. Oh, I'm about to get impaled here. Oh, it's like the camera got impaled. Yeah, this is here just to impale me on the way back. Poor electric. And just after I uploaded my problems at 200 miles video, here I am working hard on generating more problems. If only it was smooth like this the whole way, but no. We're gonna hit some rocks again. Roots, mud, snow, trunks in the way. Oh, jeez. All right. Let's finish this tiny bit of the rim trail. See if we can get out of here alive. Yeah, but no matter what you do, this bike is gonna struggle through this type of terrain that I've done on real full suspension mountain bikes and on dirt bikes. So this is a lot of fun on a dirt bike. You can just fly through a lot of this, but definitely not for a folding commuter bike. Power back on after you get over the tree. All right, let's go. Let's keep going. Okay, I think I can make it over this trunk. Oh, yep, there we go. Hopefully my cameras survive. Some steps. Step, step, step. Whoa. Yeah, blast through the mud here. Alright. Momentum helps. Carrying momentum through some of these obstacles helps you get through it smoother. I got myself into this, now I gotta get myself out. Pedal strikes, pedal strikes. Alright. Oh, I'm about to lose my 360 camera here. Let's get over this tree and then I'm gonna remove that camera before I lose it. Here we go. Okay, I think this bungee supported mounting point will hold a little bit better for the remainder of this insanity. Some bark helps keep the kickstand from sinking into the mud. I'm using Gaia GPS to make sure I stay on the trail. Throttle only to start. Pushing the limits helps you discover things like now I know how to mount the 360 camera in a more solid way to get through this kind of stuff in the future. Oh, snow, ice, rocks. Alright, I'm at the end. Horseshit. Alright. I survived, and I think my camera survived. Alright. That was not the smartest thing, but it was interesting and I got a few giggles out of it, I guess. If you find this type of content useful, please consider subscribing and hit that like button to be notified of future content.